Hi guys, this is the addictive sketcher Adebanji Alade. The Urban Landscape Workshop is back. How to paint a convincing and expressive urban landscape. I think the last time I did this one was 2014. Listen, if you're someone who really wants to improve their urban landscapes, you really want to know what makes it work, how to put figures in it, how to render light, how to make the whole piece look really convincing, like this is the one workshop you don't want to miss. I'm out there to share, help you, give you a little bit of tips. If you want to bring your other work in, bring those in. I'll critique them with you. Just look, this is just the one you don't want to miss. So let's go to the details. Urban Landscape Workshop, 24th of March, yeah? Urban Landscape Workshop, 24th of March. It's gonna take place at the Art Room at the Chelsea Academy, just across the road. I'm looking at the place right now in my studio. Yeah, very close nearby, so you can actually pop over here after, yeah? We got a little tour. All right, and it takes place from 9:30 to 5:30, yeah, intense, 8 hours. If you don't want to take a break, don't worry, we're in for it, one day. Let's crack it. I've got 4 workshops this year. This is the first one. I'm gonna have different topics, but the urban landscape is the first one. Now listen, if you're interested, I'm only taking 8. Don't wait, it's 8. Don't forget 24th of March, the Urban Landscape Workshop.